Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to upload your files in GitHub. First, go to your browser, type git download. Click on the first link and select your operating system. Now open another tab, type github.com. Then click on the first link. If you don't have an account, simply create new one. I already have an account, so I click sign in. Now enter your email and password. This is the screen after you log in. On the left side, you can see your all previous repository. Now, in the top right corner, click plus icon, create new repository. Now, now just type the repository name, type the name whatever you want. I will go with this. And you must choose your repository is public or private. After you enter the name, scroll down. If you want readme file or git ignore, you can add it. Click on create new repository. It will show your repository name. Then click on the upload existing files. Click choose your files and simply drag and drop your files. It's uploading. After it upload, type commit changes. Initial commit. You need to type first commit is initial commit. Then scroll down, click on the commit changes. That's it. Now your files are uploaded in GitHub. But wait, what if you wanna upload your larger files? Like the same way, I just drag and drop the large file. Oh no, it's not working because GitHub you cannot drag and drop your files more than 25 MB. If you wanna upload files more than 25 MB, now follow this method too. Simply click on new, create new repository as we mentioned before. Then type your repository name and choose its public or private. Then click on create new repository. Now copy this link near HTTPS and SSH. Remember, this link is important. You can follow the steps given below, or you can follow my steps also. After you copied the link, just open VS Code in your PC. If you don't have a VS Code, just install it. In the VS Code, open your file, project file where it is located. It will show your project, all the folders and files. Now click on the third icon, source control. If this icon is not showing in your PC, just right click and make sure it is enabled. Now click on initial repository. Type, it will show your files. Type initial commit. Now click on commit. If you're facing any errors while click on commit changes, then follow these steps. Open VS Code. On the top right, you will see the three dots. Click New Terminal. Now paste these commands and change your GitHub email and username. I hope your error is cleared. Now back to the process. After giving commit changes, it will show like this. Then click on the three dot, click remote, add remote, and simply paste the link you copied before. Then enter. Then type remote name like your project name. You can type whatever you want. Then click on publish branch. Here you go. After this process is complete, now come back to your browser. Just reload. You can see all your project files here. If you find this video is helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.